If you're considering rolling over your Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, it's important to understand the advantages and disadvantages of doing so. First, what is a TSP rollover? A TSP rollover is a transfer of money from a TSP account into an eligible IRA account. This may make sense when someone is looking to take advantage of IRA features over the limitations of TSP accounts. A rollover strategy can be beneficial when trying to create an income strategy, growth strategy, and inheritance maximization strategy. As an example, when someone is trying to grow their thrift savings plan, they are choosing different investment options to produce a favorable rate of return. The downside to the TSP is that these investment options are limited. On the opposite side, an IRA has unlimited options. This allows someone to use different growth and fixed funds that are not available through the TSP. When someone is eligible to roll over their TSP, they can take advantage of the IRA customization opportunities. An IRA allows an individual to create an efficient withdrawal strategy, whether that means laddering or using lifetime income IRAs to accomplish their retirement goals, that are not available through the TSP options. A primary disadvantage to rolling over your TSP into an IRA is if someone is looking to retire prior to age 59 and a half. In conclusion, rolling over money from your TSP account into an IRA can offer many advantages and some disadvantages. If you're considering rolling over money from your TSP into an IRA, be sure to do your research, understand the rules that govern TSP rollovers, and consider speaking with one of our advisors. If you are currently offered a TSP account, you are eligible to speak with an advisor through IFASI Financial Group, free of charge. Simply call our office and reference this video. We look forward to speaking with you.